Well, what are we to do? It'll never be ready in time, or we're doomed. What will she say? It'll be an outrage. A lifetime of service up in smoke, all because of her letter.
O, diar, mae gyda ni broblem. Gallai fod angen help arno ni. Edrychwch, mae nhw yma.
Thank the muscles of Conway you're here.
Ydyn, diolch byth. Byddem ar goll heb eich helpu chi.
Help is very much the order of the day. We have word from Queen Eleanor that she is to visit Conway Castle within the week.
Y Frenhines Eleanor yn ymweld ag castell Conwy cyn penwythnos, a dyw e ddim yn barod. Dyn ni'n heb orffen ei adeiladu eto.
Oh, that's right. The Portuguese stonemasons haven't finished, and the Italian carpenters are dragging their heels. And as for the local tapestry weavers, don't ask. Oh, it's no place for a queen in this state.
Ac nid dyna'r cyfan.
She sent a list.
Rhestr?
Oh, the pearls of Conway she wants, the place fit for a queen.
Popeth sydd i fod yn barod. Ble mae dechrau?
We'll have to start with her rooms.
Yn ei hystafelloedd, bydd yn rhaid i'r paent sychu cyn i ni hongian y tapestriau. O, diar.
Glass!
Gwydir?
There's no glass in her chamber window.
Rhowch y wydyr yn y ffenest. O, diar. A dyna'r cyfan?
No.
Nage?
No, there's a list of jobs for the garden too.
Yr ardd! Rho ni wedi anghofio am yr ardd.
Right. They'll know what to do. I'll pass Queen Eleanor's letter to you.
Rydych chi'n rhoi llythyr iddynt? Ydyn nhw'n barod?
They are to be the custodians of Conway Castle. It is their job to learn about Queen Eleanor and our great town of Conway.
Ceidwaid castell Conwy. Cyfle i dysgu am y Frenhines Eleanor a Conwy. Mae'n swnio'n gret. Gaf i fod yn geidwad?
Shush, 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 shush. Here before us are the selected few. Queen Eleanor's letter will help you on your great task.
Bydd angen y llythyr arnoch. Mae hi wedi ysgrifennu rhestr hir.
Go well, custodians. We are counting on you.
Pob lwc!